Hello and welcome everyone. This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Party company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. The question is 773 clicks but no conversions. Any suggestions really on Google Ads? So 773 clicks. I mean, that is a huge number. So you have also provided your website and I have opened it already, but let me, see your image. Okay, so you got BS, you period add your strategy, still bit strategy learning, and you have 73 clicks in real, and you have got like 30,000 impressions in 73 clicks. So if I divide 773 on 30,700 and multiply it by 100, the CTR seems to be around 2.5%. Okay, so it's a search campaign, and your CTR seems to be 2.5%, 773 clicks, and still you are not getting any lead or sales in Google Ads. That is actually alarming for anyone. Even at least a single sale could be a courtesy over here. So I'm going to look around on the few factors which I think could be a reason. So let's say if I remove this and so I can write it over here. So based on the image data I got, uh, a very big reason is that the people what we do with the Google Ads is too many keywords, okay, in the same ad group. Okay, ideally I do not recommend having too many keywords in the same ad group. I would recommend to divide it. And again, there is another problem is too many ad groups. I mean, you are not getting conversions and you are putting too many ad groups. I mean, that is not how it works. You need to understand the intent. Every keyword has a different intent, and you cannot have a lot of keywords all in the same ad group or in the multiple ad groups, and do not have any landing page designed for different requirements. Because understand, let's see your website. Okay, so it's a web hosting website, and you may be targeting cheap web hosting, affordable web hosting, best web hosting. I mean, there are ample of keywords relevant, but is all your main landing page fulfill all those keywords? No, it doesn't. You need to understand it. Otherwise, first of all, the web hosting industry is too much competitive, and you need to understand there are big players in the market in the web hosting industry. GoDaddy hosting. I mean, there are so many big brands name hosts are available already providing very good web hosting services, and you are trying to enter in the market. How you are going to differentiate it? So my recommendation is to work around with these things. I would, what, first of all, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pause all the campaigns, pause all the campaigns, and I will only run retargeting campaign. Okay, that is the first thing which I'm going to do, and I'm going to see how it works. The second thing is I need to understand my USP. Why me? Why this web hosting BISUP? Okay, okay. So you can try something bulletproof hosting, or I mean, I need to figure out why this, or otherwise again you could be in the same issue as well, that the you're showing with the other ads. But let's say I assume that you are running in a specific country to see around and figure it out. I mean, web hosting industry on Google Ads is so much difficult to target, and I do not recommend small companies even to put a penny on this. Okay, but you can see over here that your LinkedIn page, you do not have a LinkedIn page, but you have put it in over here. That is actually a very bad impression as a web hosting company. Also, there is one thing that could be an error on this which I was not thinking about, and which I have seen people, that there is issues with website or checkout. Okay, sometimes the reason you have zero conversion is that people cannot buy it out. Your checkout is have issues, so this could be another issue as well. So check those as well, and look around on your bidding strategies. Okay, first of all, try to work around on your landing page. Create a specific special deal page. I want you guys to have a special deal page, like you are running a grab, get 50% discount offer, 30 days, very small, very less targeted. I don't like it. So my remedy over here is retargeting campaign. Check out any issues with the website, work around your bidding strategy, create an exclusive one time 50% discount landing page, okay, with a timer. Like, this deal will be eliminated if you do not sign up right now. Try this out and then try it out with small set of keywords and have those keywords in your landing page. If all keywords do not fill in a single landing page, you can have multiple landing pages. Try it out. Also see your competitors, and rather picking up a whole big location, try to target in small cities, small locations, or a country to get more insights, and this is how you can slowly expand or increase. So yeah, try these strategies and have these answers. But in case if you need a professional help or a professional audit with Google Ads, audit setup or management, me and my team can help you. You can hire us with the link in the description. We're going to look forward to working with you guys. So guys, yeah, definitely we are right now managing more than $2 million per month in Google ad spending. So me and my team is available. You can hire us through the link in the description. I hope this answers your question as well. But still, in case you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. But again, guys, I recommend you can hire us through the link in the description. Take care and bye bye.